Hey, sweetie. Honey, what happened? You look tense. Why are you walking to and fro?
Don't you know, Mom, that my dance competition results are going to be declared?
So, are you nervous?
Not at all. You know, I'm the best dancer of my school, so I'm gonna win this competition anyways. These results are just a formality.
Don't you think you always blow your own trumpet? This is really very bad nature. You should change yourself.
Okay, Mom. Oh, the results are declared. So, friends, today we learned two idioms. So, the first one is to and fro. It means that here and there. While we are tensed or worried, we walk forwards and backwards. So, in that case, we can use to and fro in place of here and there. In Hindi, it means तुम इधर उधर क्यों दौड़ रहे हो, तुम इधर उधर क्यों चल रहे हो. Examples are why are you walking to and fro, why are you running to and fro. And the second one is blow your own trumpet. In Hindi, it means apni pipuni bajana. In Tarak Mehta, we have heard it. But the literal meaning is apne muh mein mithu banna. So in English, it means to praise yourself by your own mouth. Yeah, that's the meaning. So we can use it like, why are you blowing your own trumpet? Don't blow your own trumpet. He always blows his own trumpet. So in that cases, we can use blow your own trumpet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.